Thor 2471. The Peterbilt Model 589 isn't just a truck, it's a masterpiece of muscle and refinement. Marketed as having the best fit and finish in the industry, it's engineered for a ride so smooth and quiet, you might forget you're behind the wheel of a 605 horsepower powerhouse. Virtually no vibrations, just pure control. But for true enthusiasts, even perfection has room for imagination. That's how the Peterbilt 589 Todohome was born. A custom rig that turns heads and redefines what a long-haul life can feel like. Step inside and you're no longer in a truck cab. You're in a rolling luxury suite. The interior is packed with high-end touches. Think stainless steel appliances, an induction cooktop, and a built-in refrigerator. Entertainment? A massive 50-inch smart TV paired with Starlink satellite internet means you're connected wherever the road takes you. When it's time to unwind, you've got choices. Lounge on plush sofas or stretch out in a full-sized bed. Air conditioning keeps the climate perfect. And when it's time to freshen up, a spa-inspired bathroom with ambient lighting delivers a level of comfort most roadside motels can only dream of. The Peterbilt 589 Todohome isn't just built for work. It's built for those who demand comfort and class without compromise. It's a truck. It's a home. It's a statement on wheels. Step inside the cab, and you'll notice something unconventional right away. The driver's seat isn't on the left or right, it's positioned dead center, offering a commanding view of the road ahead. Gone are traditional rear-view mirrors, replaced with high-definition cameras feeding real-time visuals to integrated dashboard monitors. It's like piloting a machine from the future. And when it's time to rest, the Super Truck 2 doesn't disappoint. The sleeper cabin features a cleverly designed Murphy bed, folding away to create extra space when not in use. There's even a generous fold-down countertop, perfect for meals or getting work done on the go. Kenworth's Super Truck 2 isn't just a prototype, it's a promise. A promise of smarter, cleaner, and more comfortable transport for the road ahead. Freightliner Argosy. In the quiet Swedish town of Ramsola, one truck turned every head on the street, the powerful and polished Scania R530. It didn't just show up at the Power Truck Show, it showed off, and the judges noticed. This beast rolled away with not one but two trophies. Second place in the fiercely competitive wood-chip truck category, and a proud third in Best Interior. But before the awards were announced, this Scania had already won over the crowd. Every inch of its design, from the precision paintwork to the fine interior details, radiated craftsmanship and personality. It wasn't just another entry, it was a statement on wheels. When form meets function at this level, you don't just drive it, you admire it. The Thor 24 isn't just a truck, it's a rolling masterpiece. With its extravagant build and jaw-dropping design, it's more like a palace on wheels. And when it hit the auction block in Saudi Arabia, the price tag stunned everyone, $13.2 million. But once you hear what it can do, that price starts to make sense. This monster machine unleashes a staggering 3,974 horsepower, propelling it to highway speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. That kind of power doesn't just turn heads, it snaps necks. And stopping it? Well, it takes 4 parachute brakes to bring this juggernaut to a halt. Need to calm down after that adrenaline rush? Just head to the rear cab. There, you'll find a full lounge area complete with a 40-inch TV, offering a smooth transition from chaos to comfort. Thor 24 isn't just a ride, it's an experience. One that redefines what a truck can be. Straight from Japan, the UD Trucks Quan brings high-tech precision to the open road. And if there's one thing Japan is known for, it's cutting-edge electronics, and the Quan delivers in full. This isn't just a truck, it's a smart machine built to make driving safer, smoother, and surprisingly intuitive. At the heart of its tech arsenal is the Smart Traffic Eye Cruise system. It doesn't just follow the vehicle ahead, it keeps a safe distance automatically. If traffic slows down, so does the Quan, adapting in real time without a second thought. Then there's the LKA system, Lane Keep Assist. It reads the road markings, gently correcting your path if you drift out of line. Not just alerts, but actual steering corrections. And that's just the beginning. The Quan is also trained to recognize pedestrians and cyclists, sending out alerts when it senses potential danger. It's like having a co-pilot that never blinks. Listing every feature would take a video of its own. But here's what matters. The UD Trucks Quan doesn't just get you from point A to B, it redefines what it means to drive in the digital age. A truck built not just with power, but with purpose. What started as a rugged Mercedes-Benz Aerox 3353A is now a jaw-dropping off-road palace on wheels, thanks to the incredible team at Krug Expedition. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile fortress, reimagined for life on the edge of adventure where the road ends and exploration begins. With its powerful all-wheel drive system, it conquers the roughest terrain without breaking a sweat. But once parked, it becomes something truly special. Step outside, and you'll find a fully integrated outdoor kitchen that glides out like a luxury drawer. Induction cooktop? Check. The perfect setup for open-air meals under the stars. And for those who like their meals a little more refined, the indoor kitchen delivers, with a built-in oven ready for serious cooking. Of course, travel gets messy. That's why there's a full-size washing machine tucked away inside. No laundromats, no hassle. Just clean clothes wherever you are. Long day on the trail? Step into the onboard shower and wash it all away. There's even a private toilet because comfort doesn't take a back seat here. Heating, 2 separate air conditioning units, and an electric staircase round out the experience, making this one of the most comfortable overland rigs on the planet. The Krug Expedition Aerox isn't just about the journey, it's about redefining how you live while on the road. Adventure has never looked this luxurious. In the race toward electric trucking dominance, Renault Trucks is picking up serious speed, and their latest contender, the E-Tech T. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Compared to its earlier version, the E-Tech T now boasts an impressive range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. That's a full 200 kilometers more than before. For long hauls and logistics, that's a game changer. But the range is just the beginning. Step inside the cab, and you'll think you've entered a high-end lounge. The seats are ergonomically designed for long hours behind the wheel. The climate control system is smart, responsive, and built with the driver's well-being in mind. And the digital dashboard? Intuitive and futuristic. Just what you'd expect from a next-gen machine. And then, there's the silence. The E-Tech T doesn't rumble. It glides. It hums. It brings a level of calm you'd associate more with a luxury sedan than a commercial truck. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it's redefining comfort on the road. Let's take a closer look at what happens when top-tier customization meets legendary engineering, courtesy of the experts at Bolt Custom Trucks. Feast your eyes on the Peterbilt Crew Cab Ultra, a true masterpiece built specifically for a client planning to tow a horse trailer. But don't be fooled, this rig isn't just about cargo, it's built for passengers too. Inside, the cab can comfortably seat up to 7 people, and trust us, every single one of them is in for an unforgettable ride. Just take in that rich leather upholstery. It wraps around the cabin like a luxury lounge on wheels. Then there's the floor. Not rubber, not carpet, solid walnut. And yes, you can actually stand up straight inside. This isn't just a cab, it's a mobile living room. Of course, no luxury ride is complete without entertainment. You've got a premium stereo system backed by a powerful subwoofer, a 20-inch TV with a satellite antenna, and a digital thermostat to keep everything at the perfect temperature no matter what's going on outside. From hauling horsepower to delivering high-end comfort, the Peterbilt Crew Cab Ultra proves one thing loud and clear. When Bolt Custom Trucks takes on a build, it's not just transportation, it's an experience.